Hello friends, today I will show you how to set cookie. So let's start. Uh, so first of all, paste index start and alright. So now I assign the variable cookie name like username and cookie value. Cookie value as right like how to do it is the cookie value, right? Now we can set here the cookie. Okay, you can just now just comment just for test purpose. Now just checking if is set cookie and if you set cookie name then we will print cookie name is not else okay. Now we can just is not now we can set here like username and cookie value. Alright, now we can just reload non-defined. Yes, it's defined. So it's too much easy. If you want to use this code, then you can just copy from here. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.